potential home buyer. Today I'm here checking out another home site. Lots of open space available for construction. But we're at a time now where, of course, builders have the first say. Prices are increasing every day, and although there is enormous opportunity, there are more buyers than there are homes ready to sell. This is a prime example. The seller's market. I'm hoping that they continue to show you one of the models here in this video.
It was heard by a thousand from the echo of the mountain. The sound so sweet and lovely, just a dream from the fountain. They hurried down the mountain with great speed, stampede. When we're fueled by
every single home we observe in this video, a few frames back, they're fully accounted for, and the actual vacant lot to be constructed is in a very slow release. This is our current situation for 2021. We hope to see some relief in not too distant future. The other thing too that is worthwhile mentioning, there is now price increase just about every week, from week to month, and the price increase is not minimal. So who knows where this will take us. Nevertheless, still a great time to buy. For all the programs out there that are available for first-time home buyers. And especially since a lot of these communities are in USDA, where 100% financing is possible.